In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to the Ronin wallet. First, go to Binance.com and log into your account. You can send Ethereum directly from Binance to Ronin. So you'll need to send it to MetaMask first, then bridge it to Ronin. Go to your Binance wallet and click on Overview. Next, click on Withdraw and choose Ethereum. Open your MetaMask wallet, switch to the Ethereum network and copy your ETH address. Paste the MetaMask address into Binance. Choose the Ethereum network. Enter how much Ethereum to send. Just make sure it's at least 0.098 ETH. Select the correct source wallet, spot or funding depending on where your ETH is stored. For example, if you're sending 1 ETH, you will see the exact amount you will receive after fees. After entering the amount, click withdraw. Binance will prompt you for a security verification. You will need to enter your 2FA code, email code, and phone verification code. Once verified, wait for the transaction to complete. Then check your MetaMask wallet to confirm the ETH has arrived. After receiving the ETH, go to the Ronin platform, click on deposit, then continue to purchase and open the apps section on the right. Select bridge, then deposit and open your Ronin wallet. Copy your Ronin address, paste it in the bridge and choose Ethereum as the token. Enter the amount of ETH you want to bridge and click submit. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Make sure you keep extra ETH in MetaMask to cover gas fees. After confirming and paying gas, wait a few minutes and check your Ronin wallet to confirm receipt. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.